Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the exact Benq model and connection. This matters because menu layout and feature names differ. Once done, make sure the monitor is powered and connected via the cable you will use. Press any front or underside OSD button to open the on-screen menu. You need the menu active to change brightness. If you see a quick access brightness button, use it now to jump straight into adjustment. This first step establishes control and prevents toggling the wrong profile later. You now operate the OSD to change brightness directly. Press Menu, navigate to Picture or Display Settings, then find Brightness. Use the left/right or +/- hardware buttons to raise or lower the level. Change by small increments and observe the screen. You want even skin tones and visible shadow detail. Once you choose a level, check preset modes such as Standard or sRGB since they override manual brightness. If you need color accuracy, set brightness after finish by saving your adjustments if the model requires it, then exit the OSD and power cycle the monitor to confirm settings persist. If brightness controls appear grayed out or changes have no effect, disable dynamic contrast, auto eco, or ambient light sensor options in the OSD because they auto-adjust brightness. Once those are off, try manual adjustment again. As a last resort, reset the OSD to factory defaults to clear a locked profile, and if problems continue, consider testing with another cable or source device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.